2019, so this little group, they're like commenting on everything, and him and a few other people who I didn't know, strangers, just started, every time I'd put a YouTube video, started commenting under it, you know, saying, you're a fraud, you're a scammer, you're a this, right? And I just thought, that's weird, I just ignored it. And they ran an investigation that went all through my company accounts and stuff, but they found nothing, they had nothing to say that was bad. They just, for some reason, they were trying to ruin my life. And they said that we're trying to ruin this person's life. It's our mission to take this guy down. I don't know if it was jealousy, I don't know whether it was, I don't know what, I have no idea, I still don't know to this day. In 2019, there was a guy, and he's part of our academy, and he'd done some training with us. Good guy, nice guy, had mental health issues, he was a soldier, and in 2019 he took his life. And you know, we were obviously, as a family, as a company, we were devastated that he took his life. He just got married 11 weeks prior to taking his life. He just got married, and it was a tragedy. It was really sad. And then this group of haters said, I bet he did it because the training didn't work out for him. I bet he did it because Samuel probably shouted at him like he shouted. I bet he did, right? Now me and this soldier, we'd gone on just fine. In fact, he'd invited me prior to his wedding. And when they said that, I bet it's because he didn't like the training. Oh, he's probably good. And they were trying to put this narrative together. I, at the time, thought that's so low and so weak. Because imagine if like a university student took the life, they wouldn't say, I bet it's because of the university. It was such a weak link. But these trolls put together a story and started approaching newspapers. And it got published, and it said, what the newspaper said is they said, soldier takes his life after going on Samuel Leeds' course. Wow. That made the papers. And I remember at the time just thinking, what an outrageous thing to say. Imagine he takes his life just after he got married, he takes his life just after, it's like, what? You know, it's a crazy thing to say. Anyway, so we told the newspaper what they said was wrong, but damage had been done. And at this point, after that happened, these small group of internet trolls started writing to my mum, started writing to my wife. Nasty things. Nasty things. You know, really sickening things. And we decided, you know, not as a businessman, but also as someone who has a family and staff and customers, we decided to go to the police and tell the police what these internet trolls are doing. One of the main guys that was really going after my wife, my mum, my sister, me, his name was just relentlessly saying things, messages. And anyway, yesterday, my wife was in court with, and I'm pleased to say that he was found guilty yesterday. The judge didn't go easy. The judge was appalled, and he said, but this happened, and this person committed suicide. And the judge was just like, I'm really sorry, that's just completely wrong. The judge gave him 180 hours over a 12-month period of community service. Has given him a fine, a court fine, a criminal record, but most importantly, a 5-year restraining order, so he cannot approach me or my family again. I wanted to share that because as businessmen and businesswomen, there will be times as you rise when people come after you. And my biggest mistake was ignoring it for 6 months, thinking it will go away. If someone goes after you and your company and your family, you have to pursue them legally. You have to defend your family. Will Smith defended his wife. Will Smith says, talk shit, get hit. And I don't believe in violence. I believe talk shit, get hit by my lawyers.